For the last 500 days, I've been using and fully testing Robinhood's retirement account. In this video, we're going to give an honest review, go over all the features and benefits, the app interface, and lastly, if I would actually recommend Robinhood's retirement account after all this time. So let's jump right into the video. Ever since Robinhood was created in 2013, you were only able to trade in a brokerage account. But that all changed until last year when Robinhood introduced their retirement accounts with all their incredible new features along with it. For retirement accounts, you were able to open up an IRA or a Roth IRA account directly in the Robinhood's app, or if you already have an IRA or a 401k from an old employer, you can then transfer it into your Robinhood account. And as of today, you would even earn a 3% bonus in doing so. Now, let's take a look at some of Robinhood's features and benefits with the retirement account that are just brand new or just downright unheard of for the industry. As of today, you're able to get a 3% bonus anytime you deposit new money into your IRA, which has never been done before. This is almost as crazy as Robinhood implementing the zero commissions trades back in 2013. And which, if you contribute up to the IRA max for 2024, which is $6,500, that would be an additional $210 that you would just receive in free bonuses. Another unheard of feature with the Robinhood's retirement account is that as of today, you would also receive an additional 3% bonus for any account that's transferred into Robinhood. So say, for example, you have $10,000 sitting in your old employer's 401k with Fidelity. You can then transfer that into Robinhood and actually receive up to $300 in free bonuses. Or another example, if you have an IRA with Vanguard that has $100,000, you then will receive $3,000 in free bonuses, which has never been offered by any other company. The other great feature that I have never seen on any other platform for retirement accounts is allowing you to invest in options. So now you could buy and sell calls or puts, which was typically reserved only for your brokerage account. This gives you a lot more flexibility with how you invest your money in your IRA. There's also a handful of other great features with the retirement account that you get similar to investing in Robinhood's taxable account, such as being able to buy fractional shares, dividend reinvestment, instant deposits, recurring investments, and overnight trading, which I personally use all of these features in my retirement account, and I really enjoy using them. Plus, a lot of these features aren't offered with the other platforms out there, and this just blows the competitions out of the water. All of these features and benefits are great, but how is the actual interface for Robinhood's retirement account? If it's hard to navigate, I personally wouldn't want to use the app. Luckily, the retirement account is just as easy to use and navigate as the normal taxable trading account. It's the same layout as the brokerage account, and we can easily see how much your account is worth up on top, what stocks you own and invest in, and you can easily make trades, whether that's a stock, ETF, or options. It's also very easy to see how much you receive in free bonuses with new money in your account. Overall, I'm extremely happy with Robinhood's retirement account, and in my opinion, it's a lot easier to use than all the other investing apps that I've used in the past, whether that be Vanguard, Chase, or any of those other brokers. With it being over a year and a half of fully testing Robinhood's retirement account, the big question is if I still even use it. And the answer is yes. Even if I didn't receive any of those bonuses, I would still use Robinhood's retirement account. It's very easy to use, has tons of features and benefits, and a lot of other platforms just don't offer those. Plus, I really enjoy having all my account in one app. All of those pros paired with receiving free money with deposits and transfers means that this is a no-brainer for myself with using Robinhood's retirement account. Tell me down below in the comments if you already have a Robinhood account, and if so, what's your biggest position in? I'm just curious to know. If you don't already have a Robinhood retirement account, watch this video here that is gonna walk you through how to set it up and how to make your first purchase. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.